Ta-da! Okay, so those 6 ingredients that we just talked about are currently still in our new tello-youth formula. So as of today, if you look in your back office, you will see that you can now order tello-youth, and 1 container is equal to 2 bottles of tello-youth. So it's like 240 capsules. And so the 1 scoop in here is equal to 4 capsules. And we not only have the 6 ingredients, but we've also enhanced it with another ingredient. Dr. Chris, would you like to talk about it?
That's the inulin. The inulin is the perfect soluble fiber that nourishes the gut microbiome. You know, it's like the second brain is in our GI tract. And so by introducing the inulin, it allows for this powder to flow and to be more administrative, you know, when we want to take it orally or mix it in water. So the thing to know is that this is another enhancement to our tello-youth formula. So now this additional ingredient, very key in lowering blood sugar levels, especially with patients with diabetes, type 2 diabetes. It works as an anti-inflammatory, so it is combined with the anti-inflammatory effects of our biological sugars and our peptides. Reduces belly fat. Who can appreciate that? You know, we, especially around the holidays, you know, we put on those extra pounds. Taking our tello-youth bulk formula will help to just move that extra excess through the body, the excess fat that's built up. And most important is that it reduces fatty liver. You know, the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is becoming such a rampant condition in our culture today because of our sedentary lifestyles, our stress, the way we eat. And to have something that helps mitigate that or reduce it is so important. So, Dr. Tino, I think we'll emphasize that a lot in our conversations here. And, you know, how much should a person take? Well, the inulin has been shown in the test that a small amount is 1.5 to 4 grams per day. So when you're doing the rejuvenation program or even the wellness program, you're getting enough inulin to really make a difference in how you control your metabolism, which again impacts your weight and staying at a healthy weight. Dr. Tina, anything like that?
Yeah, and for those of you that are taking notes, you know, make a note that there's 1.2 grams of inulin per scoop, and there are 60 scoops per container. You're right. Reducing this fatty liver, you know, so many people that are getting their blood tests, they don't even drink alcohol and they're coming back with fatty liver. Well, why is that happening? It's happening because of the diet, what we talked about earlier. You know, if you're going to have processed foods or you're going to have, you know, intake of lots of sugar, even sugary drinks, you know, a lot of people think honey is also healthy. Well, it is in moderation, but not on a daily basis. And, you know, and it also depends on, you know, are you putting it in tea or, you know, things that are liquid, then it's not as healthy. So you have to really look at fine tuning a lot of different things, but with your diet and your lifestyle, but just know also that your inulin in the tello-youth now is going to help with fatty liver in conjunction with telomega. And then you've got a really strong saponifier between the two of these to help with getting the liver healthy again. Why did we come up with a tello-youth powder? The number one reason is we have a lot of people that cannot swallow a lot of capsules because they're elderly or they just have challenges. So I have young people that can't take capsules. So they open up the capsules, they faithfully open up 16 to 20 to 40 capsules and put it in, you know, they mix it in water. So we decided to come out with the powder for them. Also, this is one that you can experiment with your pets. It's easier to give to pets as well, children. This is a mixed berry flavor, and it's not very, very sweet at all. So with that in mind, coming out with a bulk form, that's when we knew we had the opportunity to add in a prebiotic to enhance the formula. Now, you either take one or the other. You don't have to take both. It's just that Tello유스 powder is going to be more enhanced with inulin. So if you're dealing with gut issues, this might be the route to go. Okay. And then look in your back office for pricing. Again, this Tello유스 powder is exactly 2 bottles of Tello유스 capsules. So just think of doubling the cost per bottle, whether you're going to be doing subscription, bulk packages, or individual. So you can check that out in your back office. Okay.